Dear friends, welcome to Rama's cooking world. Today, let's see how to make spring rolls. So, to make the sheets for our spring roll, let's add 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Season it with some salt. Give it a quick mix. Now, let's start kneading it. Add some water and start kneading the dough. Add water gradually as required. The dough should be stiff enough. It's getting done. Now let's add half cup of oil and knead until it's combined. Let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it has become more softer and stretchy as the glutens have released from the dough. Make medium-sized balls out of it. Dust some flour and roll it until we get the desired thickness. We need it to be of a medium thickness. Repeat the same process. Now it's time to assemble. Keep a sheet and apply some oil all over it. Dust some flour on top. This is to prevent sticking. And again, place a sheet above it and repeat the same. You can use 4 to 5 sheets at a time. After placing a fourth or fifth sheet, dust some flour and roll it. We have to roll until we get a thin, uniform sheet. Now, to make it more convenient, I am cutting it with a plate to make it a circle, and this is completely optional. Yes, it's ready. Now let's cook it on a pan. When its one side is done, let's flip it. As you can see, some golden brown spots have arisen, which means it's perfect. Now let's transfer it to another plate. It's time to detach the sheets one by one. Carefully remove the sheets. As you can see, the sheets are really thin and transparent. Now it's time to prepare the stuffing. For that, add some oil to a hot pan. Now add chopped green chillies, garlic and ginger. Roast until its raw smell goes off. Now add 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of cabbage, 3/4 cup of beetroot and saute it. When the vegetables are half done, add some salt and saute again. Here goes in our chopped onions. As onions take lesser time to cook, I have added it later. Now add some soy sauce to increase its taste and color. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of vegetable masala, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Saute until the vegetables are cooked and the raw smell from the masalas are gone. Now it's time to roll our spring rolls. For that, I have made a paste with all-purpose flour and water to use it as a glue. Take a spring roll sheet and place it in a plate. Keep the stuffing inside it and roll Use our Maida mix to stick its ends. It's ready to be fried. Add some oil to a pan and heat it. Now let's fry our spring rolls. Yes, its one side is done and golden brown spots has arisen. Flip it and fry it until it's crisp. Wow, it's done. Now let's transfer it. Fry the rest of the spring rolls also in the same way. Now you can hear how crisp it is. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button.